Alright, so we got a couple things we're doing today. 2 spots that we're gonna hit up. Both of them I think are gonna be pretty good. We're doing the similar thing today. We're gonna do some crawfishing, and we're just gonna drop them over the edges and see if we can catch any. So we finally got Nick back here with us today.
What's up, guys?
He's had a little hiatus, but we're gonna be like I said, we're gonna be dropping those crawfish in. We're gonna try to catch some smallmouth. You know, there's just a plethora of fish here, so we'll see what we're gonna catch. I bet you we're gonna catch a couple different species, maybe some rock bass, some largemouth. We'll just see what we catch. Larry was down in the spot today, but first cast I got a little sucker on a crawfish, so we're gonna keep fishing here and see what else we can catch. So I got 2 casts on the day with 2 suckers. As you can really tell, get a good look at this guy, but they're absolutely loving this crawfish right now. We're gonna see if we can get a couple bass in here as well. But if this is all we're catching and they're hitting pretty good, it's gonna be a good day. A little rocky. First cast, 5 minutes. He is a pig. You know what? When you look up the definition of pig for smallmouth, it's the guy right there.
They don't get any bigger.
They don't get much bigger than that.
Yep, there we go. This one feels good. Oh yeah. Oh man. Jeez. Getting bigger. Here we go. Hooked up again.
That one?
Yeah. Pulling that out.
Something small. Can they please get bigger? That's a couple. All right. So for all you watching, it just goes to show, all you need is a little leg. Another gorgeous smalling, non-stop, back to back to back. They're loving it. What we got?
Rock bass, I think, was bigger than the smallmouth. Wow. That's an awesome fish right there. Chill, buddy.
Constant action today, boys. Constant action. This is a nice one. This is a nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Drum. Big old drum.
Yep. It's a nice drum. You know, he actually fought pretty hard for the size. He's not super big, but it's a nice fish. Whoa! Just finished up another day here fishing at the dam. Really good day today, dropping those craw, hitting those bass. You know, today was really action-packed. That drum was a really nice touch. It put up a really good fight.
Stay tuned, guys. We're going to be putting out as many videos as we can, and in the comments down below, tell us your biggest smallmouth bass ever.
Remember, like, comment. We always answer the comments. Subscribe and hit that little notification bell to know when we post.
Thanks for watching Naked Truth Outdoors.